Citroen has pulled the covers off its third-generation Berlingo Multispace, with the model being given a fresh new look and a host of new safety kit. For the first time ever, the Berlingo Multispace is also being offered in two sizes, medium and extra large, dubbed M and XL, the latter being 35 cm longer than the former. Further customization options are available, such as an XDR pack and color signatures around the front fog lights. The latest model remains as practical as ever, with Citroen's renowned monotop multifunction roof still appearing on the latest model, as well as an opening rear window in the tailgate. The boot offers 775 liters of capacity on the M and a huge 1,050 liters on the 5-seat XL version. It also offers an impressive 186 liters of storage space and 28 different cubby holes. The new model has been given the French manufacturer's latest design language, first seen on the C4 Picasso SUV in 2013. It also receives the brand's quirky and scratch-resistant air bumps at the bottom of the doors, too. Safety is also a big feature on the new model, with 19 driving assistance technologies including a head-up display, a reversing camera and adaptive cruise control. Two new engines are also available, including a 1.5-liter Blue diesel engine and a 1.2-liter Puretech petrol engine. An 8-speed automatic gearbox is also an option for the first time, although it won't be available until next year. On the connectivity front, the Berlingo comes with an 8-inch touchscreen with satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The new model is also available with 24/7 emergency assistance, operated using an *S.Tow.S button inside the car. The practical car-derived van has proved a big hit with taxi drivers and families alike since it first went on sale in 1996, with 1.7 million units being sold since. It is a hugely important car for Citroen, as while the Berlingo might not be the best-selling vehicle in the UK, it is Citroen's top-selling car in 17 countries, and its second best-selling vehicle behind the C3 hatchback worldwide. It will make its full international debut at the Geneva Motor Show next month, with its launch expected in the second half of 2018.